time for the Doodlebops.
I'm Dee Doodle.
I'm Rooney Doodle.
And...
Where's Mo?
Where's Mo?
Where's Mo?
Can you help us look for Mo? Mo!
Mo? Mo?
Now do I look like Mo?
Not really.
Thank goodness.
Thanks anyways.
Bye-bye.
I can't find him anywhere.
Neither can I.
Shoo!
I wonder where he could be. Not now, Box. We're trying to find Mo. Do you know where he is?
In there? Thanks!
Ta-da! Here I am!
I'm Dee Doodle.
I'm Rooney Doodle.
I'm Mo Doodle.
And we're the Doodlebops.
The Skiffle Cops?
No, the Doodlebop!
Isn't that what I said?
It's time for the Doodlebop pledge.
We promise to share. We promise to care. All together as a team. Just stick to it. We can do it. We can do anything. Stand tall. Say it loud. We're together and we're proud.
Dee!
Rooney. Mo. Yeah. We're the Doodlebops.
Well done. If I had hands, I'd be clapping.
What's that?
It's a bird.
Not just any bird. It's a robin. How did you know that? Well, I used this book to learn about different kinds of birds. And then I used binoculars and look at them. Binoculars? Let me see. Yeah, they make things that are far away seem close. Close, far. Close, far. Oh my gosh. I don't believe it.
What is it?
That sounded like the very rare bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird.
The bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird?
The bandy-legged, bubble-brained booby bird? Now that's just silly.
It's very rare. I've never, ever even seen one. Oh, I wonder where he went. I've always wanted to see the bandy-legged, bubble-brained booby bird. Rooney?
Not now, Mo. Rooney's looking for the very rare bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird.
What exactly does the very rare bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird look like?
It's got springy legs, these orange wings, a blue head, and googly eyes.
Springy legs, orange wings, a big blue head, and googly eyes.
Yeah.
Ow! Oh, hey!
What?
The very rare bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird was right there.
What?
The very rare bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird was right there.
Huh? Well, where'd he go?
I don't know. I guess he left.
This bird you saw. Did it look like this?
What do you think? Is that him? Yeah, that's him, all right.
And I missed it? I've been looking for that very rare bandy-legged, bubble-brained booby bird for years.
I didn't know there were so many different types of birds.
Sure. Do you want me to show you some?
Yeah.
This one's the woodpecker. It pokes holes in trees so they can eat insects.
It eats bugs? Ugh.
Lots of birds eat bugs. Some eat berries, and some eat fish. This is the albatross. It's one of the biggest birds. It flies over the ocean.
He's humongous.
This is the hummingbird. It's one of the smallest. It's this big.
So cute. Tell us more about birds, Rooney.
Yeah.
I can do better than that. I know a song about birds. Want to hear it?
Yeah?
Right on.
Come on and sing with us.
Tweet, tweet, Polly wanna quack, quack, hoot, hoot, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo, bop, bop, cuckoo, and tit-tot, bird is the word.
Oh, mercy.
The strangest thing that you'll ever see is 57 wacky birds in a tree. And most of them I'm sure you've heard, except the bandy-legged, bubble-brained booby bird, bird is the word.
That's right.
Tweet, tweet, Polly wanna quack, quack, hoo, hoo. Cock-a-doodle-doo-doo, bop, bop. Cuckoo and tick-tock, bird is the word. Chickens are flapping, ducks are quack, quacking. A rooster is a crowing, honking and a bowing. Robin with the red breast, mother hen in her nest. Eagle flying, jays walking, bandy-legged, booby talking. Tweet, tweet, Polly wanna quack, quack, hoo, hoo. Cock-a-doodle-doo-doo, bop, bop. Cuckoo and tick-tock, bird is the word.
That's right.
Tweet, tweet, Polly wanna quack, quack, hoo, hoo. Cock-a-doodle-doo-doo, bop, bop. Cuckoo and tick-tock, bird is the word. Tweet, tweet, Polly wanna quack, quack, hoo, hoo. Cock-a-doodle-doo-doo, bop, bop. Cuckoo and tick-tock, bird is the word.
You keep missing him.
Just my luck.
Astonishing.
It's Maz!
Have no fear, cause Jazzy Maz is here. This may seem absurd. I just saw a booby bird.
Where?
It didn't stay. It flew away.
I always wanted to see the very rare bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird, but it keeps flying away.
Oh, be patient, Roon. You'll see one soon.
Good things come to those who wait.
I know it will if I just keep at it. Let's go to the zoo and see if the very rare bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird is there.
Yeah!
Good idea.
See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah!
Hey, Rooney. No, wait. Don't pull the rope.
Don't pull the rope.
Don't pull the rope.
Oh, hey. Crazy bird. Hey, wait up.
You're not a booby bird.
We'll see him again.
I think that's a cockatoo.
Cockatoo?
Yeah. Look, these are finches.
Really?
Yeah.
It's the bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird!
Not there.
Hey, it's a Doodlebop!
Hey, birds with us!
Can you guys make bird sounds?
Yeah!
Awesome. Let's hear.
Tweet, tweet,
Let's hear yours.
tweet, tweet.
Wow. How about you?
Tweet, tweet.
That's great, guys.
Can everybody stand on one foot like a bird?
Yeah.
Now flap your wings really hard! Great! It's Bus Driver Bob! We have to go, guys. See you later!
Bye. All aboard.
Let's get on the bus. Let's get on the bus. Let's get on the bus.
It's time to go.
Let's get on the bus.
Hey, don't you know?
Let's get on the bus.
Go here to there.
Let's get on the bus.
Go everywhere.
Come with me, and we'll see all there is to see. You can be who you want to be. We can go anywhere today. Yeah, yeah. It's okay. We know Bob always knows the way. All aboard, there's no time to delay. Come along, we can sing and play. Yeah, yeah. Let's get on the bus.
It's time to go.
Let's get on the bus.
It's time for the show.
Let's get on the bus.
Go here to there.
Let's get on the bus.
Go everywhere. bus ride. Yeah, come on inside. We're gonna take a bus ride. Everybody on board. Strike a chord. We're gonna take a bus ride. Do, 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 do.
Now, when did the Doodlebops turn into Doodlebirds?
We're bird watchers today. We watch birds.
And what were the birds doing?
They were watching us.
So you're bird watchers, and they're people watchers? I didn't know you were so interested in birds.
Well, Rooney's the real expert.
Ah, well, I got a treat for you. How would you like to see the world the way a bird sees it?
What do you mean?
You'll see. Hang on.
Oh my gosh, we're flying.
So this is what the bird sees when it's up in the sky.
Everybody's so small. Look at the tiny cars. Bob, look out for that building.
No worries. Hang on.
Whoa!
Oh, I can see the concert hall.
Yep, there it is. Hang on, because we're going in for a landing.
Have fun, guys.
Wow! Hi, guys! Come on, everybody! Be birds with us!
Yeah.
Tweet, tweet, tweet!
You all cluck like a chicken? Come on, cluck like a chicken with us. Bye, everyone. Bye,
So, did you see your fine feathered friend in the end?
No, not yet. But I'm sure if I just keep looking, I'll see him someday.
Yeah!
And the longer I wait, the better it'll be when I do see him.
Yeah!
Well, I never. How did you get so clever?
I'm sorry about the booby bird, Roon.
That's okay. I'm sure he's far, far away by now. Oh, come on, we got a show to do.
Boys and girls, the show is about to begin.
Get ready to jump, get ready to hop, because here they come, the Doodlebops!
Rooney, look.
Hey, everybody, it's the...
Bandy-legged, bubble-brained booby bird.
Tweet, tweet, Holly wanna quack, quack, hoot, hoot, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo, bop, bop, cuckoo, a tip-top bird is the word.
The strangest thing that you'll ever see is 57 wacky birds in a tree. And most of them I'm sure you've heard, except the bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird. The most unusual breed, but they're so hard to see. I got my book with me to help with my discovery. So many different birds, like the bandy-legged bubble-brained booby bird. I don't know if you have heard, but bird is the word.
That's right. Tweet, tweet, Holly wanna quack, quack, hoot, hoot, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo, bop, bop, cuckoo, a tip-top bird is the word.
Chickens are flapping, ducks are quack quacking, a rooster is a crowing, honking and a blowing, robin with the red breast, mother hen and her nest, eagle flying, jays squawking, bandy-legged booby talking.
Tweet, tweet, Holly wanna quack, quack, hoot, hoot, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo, bop, bop, cuckoo, a tip-top bird is the word. That's right. Tweet, tweet, Holly wanna quack, quack, hoot, hoot, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo, bop, bop, cuckoo, a tip-top bird is the word.
Everybody flap your wings.
Tweet, tweet, Holly wanna quack, quack, hoot, hoot, cock-a-doodle-doo-doo, bop, bop, cuckoo, a tip-top bird is the word.
Thank you.
My friend, good friend, I know that I can depend on you. You are my friend.
Every day I will be so happy, especially because you are my friend.
Everybody, clap your hands. You are my friend, good friend. I know that I can depend on you. You are my friend.
My friend, you're my friend.
My friend, you're my friend. My friend, you're a good friend.
Hey, we're on the move. Let's go, we're in the groove. Let's go.
If you've got to go and can't stay, you can take a plane or train.
Rollerblade, walk or run.
Transportation's lots of fun.
Hey, we're on the move.
Na 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 na.
Let's go, we're in the groove.
Na 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 na.
Let's go. Hey. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Doris.
Doris who?
Door shut. That's why I knocked. Get it? Door shut. That's why I knocked.
Everyone's a comedian.
We're the Doodlebops, and we thank you, oh yeah. We've had so much fun with you today. Hey, we're the Doodlebops, we're gonna thank you, yes indeed. Now the time has come once again for us to say, hey, when we get together, we're always having fun. Laughing while we're learning and we're singing. You never have to worry, 'cause we're here to say that there's a new tomorrow for us every single day.
Thanks, everybody, for joining us today. We've had the best time. And you're the biggest part of that, you know? Yeah!
So thank you. And you. And you. We really love having you with us.
So now we say thanks for being our friend. And we can't wait to see you again because...
Together we're the Doodlebops, we'll sing and dance with you. We're the Doodlebops. Together we're the Doodlebops, we'll sing and dance with you. We're the Doodlebops.